Are you confused how to set up the shipping rate in your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you how to set up the shipping rate, standard, the free shipping rate, and the international shipping rate. Hi there, I'm Morgan. I'm a Shopify expert and partner since 2015. I have designed more than 5,000 websites over the past 10 years, and I'm actually handling more than 20 brands in Australia. I'm here to help you grow and manage your Shopify store. Let's head to the dashboard, and this time we are going to settings. We are going to set up the shipping rate for our Shopify store. So we're going to shipping and delivery and general shipping. So I'm gonna do the shipping in Australia and internationally. So in Australia, let's just delete everything and do it all again. Up. Oh, we gotta delete all up. So let's say you started from brand new, like this. Now we're gonna add a shipping zone. So I am in Australia, so I will do my local zone Australia, and I will select Australia, done. And then you need to add a rate. So we're gonna have a flat rate for standard of $12.99. And then I want to have express for $15.99. What, 15? Yeah, $15.99. Make more sense. Up. And then I want to have a free shipping. So we do custom, free shipping, price 0. And we want to base it in order price. So to get a free shipping, the customer will need to spend the minimum of $75. So if the minimum is 100, we put 100. But for me, it will be 75 on order. Up. And then we save. Now I set up the shipping for Australia. We're gonna just create a new rate. So add a shipping zone. Now we're gonna do international. I will select the country I want to deliver to. So international, we're gonna go for United Kingdom, United States, New Zealand. I couldn't put it with Australia. We're gonna use New Zealand. So any country you want to deliver to. Then if you want Europe, up, Canada. So you select the country you want to have in this zone. And then we're gonna add the rate again. So we only have standard, and the standard is gonna be $19.99. And for free shipping, we're gonna have custom, free shipping, and the same is gonna be another price from $75. 70, I put 75 kilograms. You make sure you do based on the order price 75. Okay, now we're gonna save it. And if you have another shipping zone, so let's say we have Asia, then I will add another one called Asia, and I will add rate standard 22.99. And then if we have free shipping, we go to custom, free shipping, but this one is gonna up order price 75. Okay, and now we save it. Now let's check in our store what's happening. All right, so I'm just gonna try for Australia. So you can see we have the standard and the express. Because my order is only $61.99, we do not have the free shipping. If my address is in France, well, let's just delete it all. Oh, France. Here we have the standard international for euro. So this is all working. Et voila. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you would like to support me, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in another video.